This video will show you how to increase the distance between blocks in your Xara document using spacers or configuring block margins. There are two methods to increase the space between blocks. From your designs gallery, you can add a spacer block from the Modular website, Web Blocks, Dividers, and Spacers directory. There are three heights available: 50, 100, and 150 pixels. Simply drag the block to the desired location. You can also use the push function. Select the block you want to add space around by clicking on the green bar, and then choose Push from the context menu. Enter the appropriate values in pixels for the top and bottom margins. You can use the lock icon to make the margin heights identical. That's it. Watch our next video to learn how to build your website with Xara.